Hi folks, Russ here, ProSteam. You're looking at a tiled floor, and what we've done, we've just deep cleaned this and applied a colour enhancing seal to it, and it really does look lovely now. Before it was cleaned, it had all sorts of paint all over it, and it looked faded, sort of like a very light grey colour in places. So now it's all been deep cleaned, and the seal has enhanced the colour, and it's also going to add a layer of topical protection to the tile and also to the grout. The customer will now see the benefits, because if they drop any water on the floor, it will just bead up on the surface, and also it's going to be easier to clean and to keep clean. So there you have it. We clean and seal Amtico flooring, and the same customer had this beautiful floor put in by Simply Carpets and Flooring, and only the other week we came in and we cleaned and sealed this Amtico, and so customer was so happy they wanted us back to work on their bathroom flooring. But there you go, folks. If you are in the market for some floor cleaning, then by all means drop me an email at info@ProSteamUK.com. Thanks for watching.